Please, lady. Please, lady. Please. Harris and Community 30. Please, lady. Please, lady. Excuse me, you work here? Excuse me, you work here? I need your help. I need your help. I need your help. Which one sweater look good on me? We day. Which one sweater look good on me? I want to know how much the sweater costs. I want to know how much the sweater costs.
Are you recording?
No, I'm recording myself.
Oh, okay.
No internet.
Okay.
I want to know how much sweaters cost.
Sweater costs right now, I think it's $24.99.
Yeah.
And then what's it called?
Okay.
What color pants would you be wearing with this?
Any kind of pants doesn't matter. Any kind of pants doesn't matter. Any kind.
If you would wear like something for like khaki or black, red would be
Yeah.
good.
Let me show you the other sweaters. Follow me. Let me show you the other sweaters. Let me show you the other sweaters I want. I'm gonna show you the one I want. The other sweaters. The perfect sweaters. The one I want. Let me show you. Just follow me. Yeah, right there. This sweaters.
Hold on 1 second.
I want to know how much it costs. The sweater costs.
First is right there with $24.99.
So I'm from Harris and Community. So I stay with this. I get my stipend every Friday. I get $10. I get $10 a week. I get $10. Sometimes I save money, put in the envelope. Maybe like 10 and 20 and 20, 24, $99 million. I mean, at 20, 24, $99 million. Which one's good on me? Which one? You think this is good on me, or this is good on me? Which one? You think this good on me, or this good on me? Which one?
Honestly, I think I'm leaning for this one more.
Huh?
But if you wear this one, you'd probably be better with darker pants.
Oh,
but if you wear lighter pants, then go with this one.
Oh, okay.